So this is how, these many properties are going to help you out. So in this video, we covered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 9 AGV class properties are covered in this video. Okay. And in the last video, we covered 6 AGV properties. Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are going to understand about different syntaxes and different Flexsim codes which can help us get details in order to create a AGV logic. Okay, and these codes or these syntax or these properties are going to be really helpful in order to get the details. Okay, so some of the questions which would be answered by using the syntax are like, for example, if you want to know or if you want to directly get the destination queue, right? So how are you going to get that? It is just a matter of simple syntax. Okay, and that is what we are going to learn today. Say if you want to get in your next control point, that is what we are going to get by a simple syntax. If you want to check whether your AGV stopped because of another AGV onto the same route, just we can use a single or simple syntax, code, property, and you are going to get that detail. Okay, so in the last video on AGV class, we have already understood about different properties and some of the methods and constructors onto the high level. Okay, so we basically completed 6 AGV properties in our last video, and in this video we are going to understand and get the answers to some of the questions. Okay, so let us start step by step. So let me put in a bug so that we get in the details now. Okay, so let us understand the first property, that is destination. Okay, so the question for this is, say you want to get that what is your destination. Okay, so that you put in a script, you put in a logic, you put that in a process flow, you can create that logic, right? So if you want to get a reference to that destination, what you're going to do is this simple destination syntax or property is going to help you get that. So how you need to write it? You need to write it as object, and then you need to put a simple variable name for that, equal to AGV dot destination. Okay, putting this simple thing itself, when you put in the next, you're going to get it a Q1. Okay, what is that meaning is that this particular AGV is going to Q1. Okay, that is what you're going to get from this syntax. Why object? Because we are finding out a destination, okay, which is going to be an object in your model of Flexsim. Okay, that is why you need to use this object. Now when you are going to get this destination, say you want to also get the destination CP, okay, because you want to send your AGV to that particular, say you want to send AGV to the control point 17, but you don't know how can I fetch it, how can I get the reference of that control point. So nothing but you need to use this property in AGV class. Okay, AGV.destination CP is going to give you an object reference for that particular control point. So if I just put in the next, you are going to get the control point 17. Okay, because the code is into your AMR1 on allocate, you are going to get a reference with respect to AMR1. Okay, now let us understand what is my final destination CP. Okay, and that is also going to be the control point 17. Okay, there might be multiple tasks, like it has to pick up from here, then place it there, then go again there, then your final destination will be the last one. But here the AMR needs to pick this box from this queue, and hence its final destination is going to be the same, that is of the destination CP. Okay, so just look at this. These 3 syntaxes are going to be very helpful in order to get a reference for your destination object, destination control point, and your final destination control point. Okay, that is what is to be required. Okay, and I hope guys you are liking our series on Flexsim scriptings and Flexsim coding. So please do hit a like, do share it with your friends so that your friends, colleagues and all other peoples would be also getting the value out of this video, and they can also learn coding in Flexsim. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp channel for exciting industrial engineering, industrial automation, industrial AI and digital transformation related educational content, guys. Okay,